Hey there, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about fully funded Turkey government scholarships for the session 2026-2027. These are funded by the Turkey government for bachelor's, master's, and PhD to all international students to study absolutely free in Turkey. We'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are here for the first time or have already subscribed, please do like this video, and if you are for the first time here, please do subscribe and do like this video as well. Also, you can follow us on Instagram page here. All the scholarships are posted there. You can check out every scholarship is published there. And you can ask for the link on Instagram directly through message, or you can check out Instagram highlights. All scholarship links are there on stories as well. Meanwhile, you can check out about section of the YouTube and about section of the Instagram as well. All the links are published there, and you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com, and once you visit our website, you can apply for this particular scholarship directly there. And once you are on our website, you can read about this particular information so that you have no confusions left and you prepare application and apply for this particular opportunity. So Turkey government scholarship is offering fully funded competitive scholarship program awarded to outstanding students and researchers to study in top Turkey universities, and this aims to build a network. Host country is Turkey, and it's a part of European Union. Category you can apply under this scholarship is undergraduate, postgraduate, masters, and PhD scholarships or research scholarships, and some associate degrees are also available. Eligible countries, it's open to all nationalities. Rewards, it's a fully funded, includes accommodation and monthly stipends, airfare tickets, and health insurance. Application has just started today, 10th of Jan 2026, and we are the first on the YouTube to bring you the whole application process for this Turkey Bursary or Turkey government scholarships. So for that, please subscribe and like this video. Deadline for the opportunity is February 2026, and it just started a few hours ago, and we are here to show you the application process. And scholarship details are here. So applicants will be placed in university programs, and their preferences will be specified in the online application form that you have to fill, and you need to apply the relevant education background and academic goal. Eligibility criteria for this Turkey Bursary scholarship is be a citizen of any country other than non. You should not be a Turkish citizen, registered in not registered in Turkey, and have ages of for associate degree and bachelor's of under 21, for masters of under 30, for PhD under 35, for research of under 50. Then applicants should not have any health problems, and they should also maintain at least 75% cumulative of the courses when they are enrolled for the scholarships. uh, Also, the benefits are listed here if you have any confusions regarding that. So fellowships will be provided of 1000 Turkish lira monthly to undergraduate, 1400 Turkish lira at master's level, and 1800 Turkish lira at PhD level per month. Required documents for this online application made through online Turkey application system, and you need to upload valid documents like passport, ID card, photograph, any national exams you have, then graduation certificate, diploma certificate, transcripts, IELTS, or if you have any other likewise GRE, GMAT scores, they are not mandatory, but if you have, you can submit them. And for PhD, you need to submit a research proposal for only PhD. How do you apply? So through the online portal, you create an account and simply submit documents. So there are some frequently asked questions. If you have doubts, so you can ask us or you can read them directly here. Does Turkish scholarship require IELTS and TOEFL? No, it does not. Do I need to learn Turkish language? So if you are studying in Turkish language program, then you need. Otherwise, English is enough. Can I live in Turkey after my program? So yes, if you can, but if you want to, you can go back to your home country. What's the deadline? So application deadlines start between 10th of Jan to 15th of February, 20th of February each year. So when will be results announced? So early August, every results will be declared. So by March, April, May, interviews will be conducted, and by August, July, you'll be having results. End of the August is a max. So now scroll down. Here you can see, click here to apply. Click on this link to start application. Now once you click on that, you can see Turkey Scholarships 2026, aim for higher, and this is the process, application deadlines, everything that we discussed. Scroll down a little bit. Here you can see application system. So click on this application system. Now once you click on the application system, you can see it directly takes you for this page. If you're here for the first time, you need to click on this register. So click on register button, enter your name, your last name, you select your gender here, then date of birth, then select the nationality, choose from the list, and enter your email, verify the email, create a password here, and write a secret question like your favorite fruit, favorite cereal, favorite movie, and then answer that. Click on this I am not a robot, click on I approve, and click on save. Once you click on save, you will receive this type of link with a one-time OTP and a link to verify the email. So we have already verified that. I'll simply log in back. So I have my username and password here. I'll just use that. Here I have, and now I'll click on login. So for the first time users, it might ask for the OTP that it will send like this. We have received the OTP and I have verified that. Now for the first time users, it will ask the personal information. So you have to enter all information like your first name. So you have to click on this edit section here and enter details as per your passport. Now enter your name, middle name, last name, your gender, your marital status, date of birth as per the passport, then citizenship, so then country of birth, so everything must be here. City of birth, then type of ID, you have to select that. If you have passport, submit that. If your ID card, you can submit it, but passport is required to travel at the end. Submit passport number, type of passport, international, and country code for the passport. Then upload your passport here and then click on save. After you click on save, then you will have your personal hobbies and other sections you want to add, special talents you have, you can submit them. Else you can click on contact info. There should be this double type tick. Now in contact info, click on edit section, enter the country you are from, city and postcode, enter your phone number, your mobile number, street number, building number, and door number. Then how you have been living there by birth, if you have, just mention the years you have. If you have your social media links, you can submit them and then click on save here. After that, click on family information, like click on edit. So your monthly family income, like your guardians, mother's name, father's name, number of brothers or siblings you have, is your mother alive, is your father alive, marital status of yours. Then if your father works, take this, if your mother works, take this, and then enter the total net income you have. Then click on save and click on education tab information here. Now click on middle school information, and for bachelor's courses, middle school information is required. You can just submit your middle school information like 8th class information. So submit this country, city where you have completed, school name, graduation date of the school, grade type, and number of marks and percentage you have. And if you do not have any documents from this high school, you can just get it from the school and ask them the total marks with the stamp, and then upload that here. And then transcripts of the same class. Then click on save. After that, click on high school information here. Mention all the high school details like you have completed, school name, field, study, graduation date, marks type, grade type, and then upload the transcripts and degree certificate of the class here. So for high school and these, they have just a common certificate from, you just have to upload both at the same place. If you have diplomas, you can submit them. And if you have bachelor's degree already, you can submit that. If you're applying for master, you need to have bachelor's degree as well. But I'm just applying for a bachelor's degree, so I have just these two, high school and middle school. If you're applying for PhD, you need to upload the bachelor's degree information and postgraduate information as well. And for PhD, these two are required. For postgraduate, only bachelor's degree and these three are required. Now, after education information, click on language details here. So what's your native language? Select English or other language, whatever you speak. Do you have Turkish language skills? If you have other language, save them and add. After that, click on work experiences. Simple application form is there. If you have interns, if you have internship Anything that you have had in the experience, you can submit that information here. After that, upload your latest resume here, your CV. Then click on save. Then click on academic qualification. So which examination you have, so click on add, or you can edit if you already submit, like international bachelorate examination or high school examination. So you have to mention that here. So as I have my +2, so I'll just mention that international bachelorate here and click on save. After that, click on social activities. Whatever you have worked with, any volunteer activities, project certificates, you can save them. After that, click on Turkey experience. Have you ever been to Turkey? Association to Turkey alumni, anything, you can just mention yes and no and save information. After that, just save this and click on my applications. This is the previous application. Now once you complete section till this section, so go back top to the home page here, click on home page, and now you can see list of scholarships you are eligible to. All the scholarships will be listed that you are eligible. So you can see bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD degree. So for bachelor's, I'll just click on bachelor's and click on apply here. So before proceeding, click on I accept. Now you have some important questions there. So application terms and conditions, click on I have read and this, and click on save here. So now you can see, so first will be the preference. Sponsors will be Türkiye Bursları by default. So click on I agree and add your first choice here, click on add. So which subject or program you wish to go for, so mention that. For example, I'll go with any of the subjects here. Let me see. I'll go with the let's choose any of the subject that is a little bit, let me go with the math, that in English language. Here are different universities, different are there. So I'll just choose KOC, then click on save. There you can see, and now I agree terms and conditions. You can add other programs, then click on save. So after you save that information, click on save button here and then click on letter of intent. Now in this section, it's expected to explain following details like your academic and social experiences. So after the academic and social experiences that you have, or education reasons why Turkey, so mention that information here, and all information must be there. Then additional items if you wish to submit as per the question asked, then submit that. Then click on save. So once you click on save, then interview location, choose from the list here, select the country you wish to go for the interview. So anything that you wish to opt for, you can go with that, select the city, then click on save. After that, reference information will be there. Click on reference information, add referee details if you wish, then submit the scholarship programs you wish to apply. So you can see different scholarship programs. So you have to take a layer that, and ISDB scholarship is also eligible under this. Select yes here and click on yes. After that, click on save. So you can see now application form has been completed. You can just review the application form here, and after that click on tick this and click on submit. So you can see application under evaluation, application has been submitted and everything is almost complete. Application number, so you can see the profile of application as well. So just check the stats. So you can download the PDF as I have done. Here you can see the application PDF. Here every detail is here. Just cross check details before submission. That's the simple process for the applications for scholarship. So you can see we have applied. Now if you wish to modify or customize any of the other scholarship you wish to apply, you can delete the application and resubmit application until the deadline is over. So you can see we have successfully completed this type of that should be there. If there's a note of exclamatory mark on the my application, you don't need to worry about that because this is the previous application data they are showing. But on home page, this type of message should be there. Application status, application number should be generated, and you will receive a mail in after some time because their server is too busy at the moment because application has just started, and it's the best time to apply. At the end of the application or middle of the application, you will get a lot of errors while submission of the application because there's a huge traffic to the website. Yeah, that's it. If you liked our session, if you liked our dedication in showing you the Turkey process, we are the first on the YouTube to bring you this scholarship here. And yeah, that's it. I'm signing off for Full Scholarships. Please visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmelook.com. Subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family who wish to go for Europe for the higher education. That too absolutely free. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.